In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Dropbox account. Whether you've forgotten your password, lost access to your email, or your account appears disabled, I'll walk you through the steps you should follow. So, let's get started. First, let's tackle the standard recovery process, which is relatively straightforward. You'll want to begin by going to the Dropbox login page. If you find yourself unable to log in due to a forgotten password, simply click on the option that says, "Forgot your password?" Alternatively, you can head straight to the password reset page, which is designed specifically for this situation. Now, once you're there, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account. After doing so, keep an eye on that inbox. Dropbox will send you specific instructions to help you reset your password. Just follow the steps in the email to get back on track. Once you've successfully reset your password, it's a good practice to log back into your account and take a moment to check your account security settings. This includes making sure your email address is up to date, enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security, and reviewing the devices and applications that have access to your account. These steps can help safeguard your account against future issues. Now, what if you don't have access to the email or other recovery options? Don't worry, there are still some things you can try. If you remember your Dropbox password but no longer have access to the email address associated with your account, you'll need to log in from a device where you're already signed in. This could be either on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're in, head over to your account settings where you can change your email address to one you currently have access to. On the other hand, if both your password and email access are out of reach, it's important to know the official stance of Dropbox. Unfortunately, they can't recover the account for you in this situation. Your best bet is to regain access to your email account through your email provider or consider setting up a new Dropbox account altogether. For those of you who might be on a team, business, or enterprise plan, there are special restore options available if a team admin deleted your user within a certain time window. This could be a handy way to recover your account, so make sure to check that out. Before you give up, there are some additional suggestions. It's always a smart idea to check your spam or junk folders, just in case any emails from Dropbox ended up there. If you're still having trouble, visiting the Dropbox support site is a great next step. Choose the category that best fits your issue, such as sign-in problems or account access issues, and see what else you can try. Remember, if your account has been inactive for a long stretch of time, especially if it's a free or basic account, it might have been deleted due to inactivity. Sadly, account recovery may not be possible in this case.